To get faster internet on Redmi A5, all you can do is first go into the settings. From here go into the network and internet right here, and from here go into the internet. From there you will have to scroll all the way down and go into the network preferences, and right here there is this option WLAN Plus, which automatically switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data to stay online and select the best connection by evaluating the quality of nearby networks. So basically this is the only option which you can use in this phone to get a little bit faster internet. This will actually kind of like, when you have per connection, per Wi-Fi connection, the phone will switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and basically this will allow you to have constant good speed of internet.